Hello everyone, in this video we're going to discuss about React. First, we're going to discuss what is React. Next, we're going to discuss what is the use of React. First, let me explain what is React. React is a open source JavaScript library. Okay, let me explain this line. Okay, what is open source? The code which is freely accessible by everyone is called open source. Then, what is library? What is library? Library is nothing but it is a predefined set of methods and snippets. Okay. Next, we're going to discuss what is the use of React. Okay. The React is used to develop user interface. What is user interface? If you open any application, we can see something, right? Like if I open login form, I can see name, password, and these boxes, and a submit button. This is developed by React. Okay. Then by these two questions, we can conclude that React is a open source JavaScript library. What is the main use of it? To develop user interface. That's it.